Hello, my name is Caitlin and welcome to Country Kitchen SweetArt's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cut cookie dough perfectly every time with 3D printed cookie cutters. Let's get started. To achieve perfect cutout cookies, here are a few tools that make this process quick and easy. Start by placing a silicone mat on your work surface and use your desired size of pastry rulers. Pastry rulers allow you to evenly roll out your cookie dough every time. Dust the silicone mat with flour and spread it to evenly coat the surface of the mat. Place your dough in the center of the mat and add more flour to the top. Gradually roll the cookie dough, making sure to turn and flip after each rolling turn to make sure it is an even thickness. The first cutter I am going to start with is a firework, which features several areas that are small and prone to breaking. Position the cutter near the edge of the cookie dough and press down firmly. Gently wiggle the cutter back and forth to help make a clean cut, then pull away from the dough. If the dough is stuck in the cookie cutter, follow these steps to remove it without causing breakage. Hold the cutter between your fingers, making sure your hand is underneath to catch the dough as it is released. Starting at the bottom, gently press the dough out of the cutter. Work your way around the outside edge until all of the dough is released. Be sure to pull the cutter away from the dough to better control the releasing action. Next, I will be cutting out the dough with this popsicle cutter. This type of cutter can be challenging as it has a very small and skinny section attached to a larger section. Hold the cutter as instructed before and start by releasing the larger section. When you get to the stick, carefully pull the cutter away from the dough. If your cookie dough is cold, this process should be successful every time. The next cutter I am going to use is this star sunglasses cutter. This cutter has two sections that may cause breakage, the center and the small edges. Be sure to wiggle the cutter after cutting the dough to ensure it has cut all the way through. To remove the dough from this cutter, start by gently pressing on the section where the arm meets the star. Carefully pull the cutter away from the dough to release the remaining sections. This final cutter is the easiest of these four cutters. When removing cookie dough from cutters, be sure to apply gentle pressure in the areas that are most likely to break. The colder your cookie dough is, the better your results will be, as it will release from the cutter instead of stretching the dough. 3D printed cookie cutters are a great addition to your cutter collection as they provide clean and crisp edges to any shape and will not bend or rust over time. Be sure to check out all of our cutter designs on our website. Our designs range from wedding and bridal to baby shower and birthday celebrations, as well as school and graduation designs. We also have a variety of holiday cutters for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and more. If you don't see a cutter that is perfect for your order or style, email us at cksamarketing@gmail.com to get started on custom cookie cutters. Thank you for watching until the end of our video, and be sure to stick around so you can learn where to find all of the products used in this video and how to stay connected with us. To find the products used in this video, scroll down to the description and click on that link. That link will take you to our website, and below the photo you will find all of the products used in this video. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay updated on our newest products, sales, and giveaways. If you would like to see more videos like this one, check out our baking and decorating tips playlist on our channel. Be sure to leave us a comment down below letting us know if you enjoyed this video and what kinds of videos you would like to see next. Check out all of our 3D printed cookie cutter designs on our website. See you next time.